And so Reuben fought the crowbird. He fought her until something very strange happened. In a puff of smoke, the crowbird disappeared, leaving behind only a plague mask and a piece of the vacuum cleaner, sure to anger her grandparents. What? Robin has morphed into the crowbird. Does that mask fit you? Who are you again, crowbird? I don't think so. We're getting the plague tonight. Oh!
I have the crowbird's powers.
Oh, wow, you took over the crowbird's powers?
Yeah.
This will truly be an amazing feat of heroics. And now he summons the crows.
Crows summon. The earthquake summons. And then all the crows. And then all the ground turns into crows.
Oh no, it's already beginning.
And they take the crowbird away.
Wow!